Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to be talking about International Gemological Institute, or commonly called as IGI. Iska IPO to came recently, a couple of quarters back, and I think it's been 2 quarters since they've been live after IPO, right? So we're going to be talking today as to like what the business model is like, how has the numbers been, have they been able to execute what they promised, and what does the guidance and the outlook look like for the upcoming year? And also we'll be talking a little bit on valuations. Okay. So over here, first let us talk about the business model. What does IGI look like and what do they do? Let me share my screen so it would make easier to understand. Okay. So IGI, as you know, International Gemological Institute. So what do these people do? Okay. Now, as you know, right, if you go shopping for gold, right, whether you go to any jeweler, whether it is Kalyan, Senko, whatever you go, how do you know that the gold you're buying is pure? Because we have this 918 hallmarking, BIS hallmarking, right, from the government, right? So you know that whatever the gold you're buying, there is a purity, it is true, you're not being frauded over here. Similarly, when it comes to diamond, there is no particular hallmarking that is from the government, there is no regulation. So over here, when it comes to diamond, there are a certification. Like, if you have this certificate, then you know this diamond is, pure, it is right, there is no flaw over here. So these certification that the jeweler has to get, irrespective of whoever you are, right? You could be Kalyan, Senko, Malabar, Jos Alucas, whatever you are, whoever you are, for the diamond, whether it is a solitaire diamond, whether it is a diamond you have in your earring or in your big jewelry that you have one small diamond, you would need certification for these, right? So this certification that is there, which is required by the jewelry companies to show them that, how good their diamond is, what is the clarity of this diamond and etc. That is what IGI does. Okay. And when you look at IGI as a model, right, it's a they have been doing this work for quite some time, very long history they have. And I believe them, and there are a couple of other people in the world, who has been having this long history of doing this work. Okay. And as you can see, is kaam karte karte, they have 50% market share in India when it comes to natural diamond. They have 33% market share totally in global. And when it comes to lab grown diamonds, they have around 65% ka market share. Okay. Now you might ask me, what exactly is this certification that they do, right? Again, if you guys have ever been to CaratLane by Tanishq, right? CaratLane by Tanishq, it is very famous, for giving you that solitaire diamond, which is like, because diamond, is one stone. Unlike gold is a metal, you make it into a liquid form, and you can design it into as whichever design you need. Unlike diamond is a stone, right? Gold is a metal. That is why you can, make it into a liquid and shape it however you want. Like in science, you learn reliability, kya hai, malleability, and all of that stuff. Similarly, but diamond cannot be melted because it is a stone. You have to break it, right? That is the only way. Okay. So over here, that is why you'll also see, right? Whenever you go to purchase a diamond, okay, whether it is Malabar or Tanishq, they have this policy like, if you purchase the diamond from us, you can only sell it to us. Or let's say if you buy gold right now, right? You buy gold from Jos Alucas, you can go and give that gold to anybody and then take cash. You can go to your local jeweler or you can go to Tanishq. Whatever the gold rate is that day, according to that rate only you will get it. But when it comes to diamond, that is not the case. Okay, when it comes to diamond, like if you are buying it from Tanishq, you can, the only Tanishq will take it, like, and then you can sell it to them and take the money. That is the thing. Why? Because diamond has to be broken, or it has to be smashed into pieces in order to know the clarity. So this is one biggest challenge that is there, in order to know the test, or in order to know the purity of the diamond that is there. So when it comes to this certification, right, they do many, like I told you, there are many kind of certifications. Like you can see 4-carat base certification, whether you want to, let's say if a diamond is there, screening it, or, sorting it into if it is a natural grown diamond or, lab grown diamond, or ye wala certificate, or ye independent certificate. This 4C based certification is very common. Like I told you, if you go and purchase a diamond from CaratLane by Tanishq, right, they will explain you this over there. This is probably, I'll thank my mom for this. This is one such thing. I'm just really grateful to my mom, because all these years, right, like she's been taking me to this jewelry shop along with her, whenever we have to purchase. And I feel like, now that I read these jewelry companies, it's just so easier to understand, because, I've had an experience of, like dealing with the, the people over there, and, them explaining. So it's quite easy for me to understand. But over here, what is this 4C certification? The C represents आपका four things: color, clarity, carat and cut. ठीक है, इसके हिसाब से you will get to know how good the diamond is. ठीक है. Now for example, when you talk about color scale, okay, let's say if it is D, which means it is too white, you know, that pearl white, you know, जो एक white color का वो जो चमकता है, you know, that is that white. The lesser you go over here, Z, it becomes it yellow color थोड़ा आता है ना, diamond, that is that. So this is one. And then over here clarity also. ठीक है, मतलब आपका see, because diamond is a naturally mined stone, ठीक है, there can be some abrasions on that. Lesser the abrasion, मतलब वो stone जो है एकदम flawless है, उसमें एक भी cut नहीं है, ठीक है, उसको बोलते हैं flawless. ठीक है. So again this VS1 is the most expensive one. As you go, ये थोड़ा least expensive है, and also उसमें वो cuts वर्ड्स जो है ना वो ज्यादा होते हैं, मतलब वो flaws जो है वो ज्यादा होते हैं. The third one is carat, based on the carat also, right? Like कैरेट के हिसाब से भी होता है, 1 कैरेट, 2 कैरेट, 3 कैरेट, एंड द लास्ट वन इज द स्केल. ठीक है, मतलब आपका जो कट का स्केल है, लाइक यू सी व्हेन एवर यू शेपिंग द डायमंड, व्हेन यू मेक इट इनटू अ हार्ट और अ स्टोन शेप्ड, यू नो, डायमंड, क्या होता है यहाँ पे, बेस्ड ऑन दैट कट also, the more the cut it is, I think the more it can it can reflect, the light will get reflected over there, and you know, that is how it is. ठीक है, यहाँ पे cut का scale भी. So whenever you go to purchase a diamond ना, they will ask you कि like आपको कौन सा diamond चाहिए. ठीक है, and it's not like you'll have to choose कि like 1 कैरेट का ये VVS1 cut, शाइन मुझे ई चाहिए, और मुझे कट जो है वेरी गुड चाहिए. Based on this you will choose the diamond. So whenever you go to purchase the diamond, it is not just based on the weight, कैरेट का हिसाब से it is not measured based only on that. Your price is based on this carat. वो उसका कैरेट कितना है, उसका वेट कितना है, किस क्लैरिटी का है, किस शाइन चाहिए, एंड कौन सा कट चाहिए. ऑल दिस फोर विल बी कंबाइंड टुगेदर, एंड बेस्ड ऑन दैट आपका वो डायमंड का प्राइस बताते हैं. सो लेट्स से इफ यू चूज अ कलर स्केल डी and flawless clarity scale, and let's say the highest carat, let's say 5-6 carat, and excellent cut scale if you choose, your price will be way more compared to, let's say आपने ये Z वाला choose किया, I2.5 carat versus, you know, let's say poor cut scale. ठीक है, so this is why, right, this is why this IGI का, you know, the certification comes, you know, to show कि like आपका ये 4C various things that are there. ठीक है. Now other than that, if you look at them, other than, you know, just giving you certification, they give you certification for what all things. They give you certification for lab grown diamond, for natural diamond, for, you know, jewelry या color stone. आपको ruby का stone होता है, emerald का stone होता है. For these also they give you certification. And the last one they do is they have their own institute, ठीक है, where they teach about this various kind of certification, you know, and they it's basically like a college. That is what they do. So these are the, you know, this is the business model of IGI. ठीक है. Similarly, you can tell over here, उनका अगर आप देखते हो, how do they provide this service? उनका laboratory है, where you can send these things, you know, let's say if you have diamond, you can send it to a laboratory and get it tested and get a certification. They also have a huge setup, you know, let's say if you're a jeweler and you have, let's say like 100 diamonds है आपका, you know, where you have to get it tested. They have their own manufacturing unit over there, you know, where you can get all of this tested in a bulk. They have, let's say, mobile labs also, where people would come to your home, not home, sorry, where people will come to your shop, your place, and they will get it tested. That kind of service also they have, where you know, the people from IGI will come to your site and get it tested. And obviously the last one is the School of Gemology. ठीक है. Again, can you see over here, they have totally, अगर आप पूरा वर्ल्ड में देखते हो, उनका 31 labs है, 18 gemology का school है, and they have 12 huge lab in factory lab setups, and they have all, you know, they have throughout the world का presence है, mostly in India as well as US. ठीक है, because आप देखते हो ना, US में the lab grown diamond का acceptance is higher compared to, let's say, anywhere else in the world. ठीक है. So this is more or less, and वही के like 65 to 75% of the business that is there, it is coming from India. When you tell coming from India, it is done domestically. आपका lab diamonds का test हो रहा है for the jewelry companies in India. ठीक है. This is first half of the business. 10% आता है China से. When you talk about business coming from China, it is Chinese jewelers से आ रहे हैं for their subsidiary in China. Not it is like it is coming from वहाँ से यहाँ तक आके test होके जा रहा है. ठीक है. And then recently they also have in Netherlands and Belgium में, they recently acquired an indirect subsidiary, you know, to be a part of them also. So this is more or less the business model over here. ठीक है. Oh, I think I should do this. Guys, 1 second. Let me just 1 second. Just give me 10 seconds. Let me just put my laptop on charge. Sorry about that, because I'm not, if I do full screen, then I wouldn't know what the charge is like, and then the entire thing will go. Yeah. Anyways, we'll go back. Okay. So when you look at IGI, why is it taking, so much shape? Like, what is the advantage of IGI? And, what can be the demand over here? Okay. So first of all, in terms of advantage, if you see, right, like I told you, this industry has a high entry barrier. Okay. Like, why would anybody, let's say Kalyan, who has so much reputation, or Tanishq for that matter, why would they want to go and randomly, get random certification? To nahi ho sakta hai na? Because we're talking about a very high size ticket item here, right? High ticket items skill, you can't keep switching between your certification. Okay, you need to have something genuine, and this is where IGI certification comes, or because it is globally accepted also. So this is one of the reason. And like I told you, right, these people have been there for more than 50 years in the market, and on a global scale, if you see, there's probably two other players, that are there, including excluding them. So over here again, when now right, कि like यहाँ पे कितना बड़ा entry barrier है, ठीक है? And in terms of demand, if you see, okay, like if you look at the total demand that is there, like in the total population of the world that you see, hardly natural diamond खरीदने वाला population में is hardly 1 to 2%. Okay, that is it. But when you talk about why that 1 to 2% is, obviously it comes to affordability, right? Because natural diamond is too expensive. But when you talk about lab grown diamond over here, earlier, so here is the thing, right? Earlier, when you talk about natural diamond, since the adaptation over there to the population is so small, कि like क्या होता था वहां पे, right? Like उनका भी business छोटा है, right? If less people are buying it, no jeweler will give you more order, to do the certification. But now what has happened, over the years we've gone from natural diamond to lab grown diamond, especially in the US, right? In the American continent, right? So now क्या हुआ, since they started doing that lab grown diamond also, उनका business जो है, it got expanded. And now we see that because of this lab grown diamond का introduction, the population, almost 5 to 10% of the population that is there, are able to afford it. And lab grown diamond का acceptance बहुत है. Now more people start buying lab grown diamond, the more jewelers will open up stores with that. The more jewelers open up the stores, the more certification का request आएगा IGI को. So now you understand how the demand is connected over here. ठीक है? So this is more or less, actually like what IGI is doing, like what उनका demand कैसा है, उनका business model कैसा है. ठीक है? Now here comes the important thing. Okay, when they came during the IPO, or before the IPO, when they were, when they started giving interviews at all, inka business jo hai, I think in before, after Q3 is what these people came, I think in IPO, and these people at that time, before that particular quarter, year on year basis, mein, they used to grow at 25%. Okay. Now they told they will continue to maintain this growth rate in all of their, I think, IPOs, interviews and everything. Then they told in the Q4 ka con call, sorry, not Q4, yeah, Q3 का con call, they told that we are reducing the guidance, not 25, we'll probably grow at 20%, they told. ठीक है? So one thing is like आप लोग 25% बोल के, our company has grown at 25% बोल के आप IPO लाते हो, ठीक है? And then after that, right, the next con call you tell that हम 20% से grow करने वाले हैं, ठीक है? That is first thing. And then the fourth, this is the Q4. These people give the result. Usually Indian companies give the result from April to March, but these people, they follow the international calendar where the result is calculated from Jan to December, which becomes 1 year, one financial year. India ka business mein April 1st se March 31st ka ek one financial year hota. So when they did this in this quarter, Q1 CY25, या आप बोल सकते हो Q4 में अगर आप देखते हो उनका result, the growth has hardly been 8%. So here is the thing, right? You tell 25% का time, IPO के time था, आपका growth rate था 25%, ठीक है? And then you come in the first con call and you tell 20% का बोला था guidance. अभी कर रहे हो 10%. You tell me what is the case over here, whether it is classic case of under promising and over delivery, or the quite opposite of it where you over promise and under deliver. ठीक है? So over here same thing, sales up जो है, अगर आप March, the first 3 months, that is Jan, Feb, March of this year, when you compare it to the last year, you see that the sales has grown by 8%. और अगर आप PAT देखते हो, PAT has grown by 11.6%. So like I told you, huge miss out in terms of guidance over here. ठीक है? So why did this happen? Why did they tell him we will grow by 15 to 20%, and then you end up growing at 8%? So what is the reason over here? Okay, so first of all, let me show you this. Yeah, let me show you this. So over here, can you see उनका अगर आप देखते हो डायमंड का लाइक फ्रॉम वेयर कितना कितना आता है, इफ यू सी हियर इन Q1 of CY FY25, if you look at it, you see that the diamond का portion over here they have given, right? Natural diamond का कितना है, right? And you can see LGD का कितना है, right? See, natural diamond का is around 16.4% का that is what the certification that they do. LGD का is around 53.6, ठीक है? And then the rest over here, what is it, gemstones and diamond jewelry and everything. Now over here it comes down to one thing, ठीक है, कि like when you look at the volume growth, ठीक है, मतलब how many certifications they have done, ठीक है. Certifications का अगर आप बात करते हो, the amount of certifications they have done, it has grown by 11%. Can you see last year of Q1 versus this year of Q1? If you see, the amount of certification they have done has grown by 11%. This is the volume, ठीक है. Now how this certification is done, कि like how the cost is calculated, it is dependent on the weight mostly, okay? Mostly, let's say for example, if you're doing a certification for 1 carat of diamond, that would be of more cost, let's say, than compared to 0.5 carat. Similarly, agar aap 5 carat diamond ka certification kar rahe ho, that is of more cost than compared to, let's say, 2 carat ka diamond, right? Mostly it is dependent on weight. Jitna zyada weight ka hoga, uska certification ka bhi price zyada hoga, theek hai? So the amount of certifications that you do is your volume growth, right? So can you see here, over here this grew hardly by 11%, ठीक है. The other thing over here is the carat का अगर आप देखते हो, right, like I told you, weight के हिसाब से भी होता है. Last time you saw, I think the same time in April, like April of last year, we saw diamond का prices में a lot of volatility was there, right? Because lab grown diamond got into the picture. वहाँ पे पूरा का पूरा उतार चढ़ाव हुआ था, right? In the natural diamond as well as lab grown diamond, huge volatility that was there, right? And we saw because of this उनका realization जो है, ठीक है, realization fell by 12%. मतलब क्या, वॉल्यूम ग्रोथ हुआ 11%, बट आपका वैल्यू ग्रोथ हुआ -12%, ठीक है, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस डायमंड का वॉलेटिलिटी, दैट प्राइस का वॉलेटिलिटी सर. ऑल्दो नाउ इट हैज बिकम बेटर, इट हैज बीन स्टेबलाइज्ड, बट स्टिल ड्यू टू दिस वॉलेटिलिटी दैट इज देयर, दे लॉस्ट ऑन द वैल्यू ग्रोथ दैट इज देयर. यूजुअली अगर आप देखते हो इनका बिजनेस में वॉल्यूम ग्रोथ इज मोर देन द वैल्यू ग्रोथ, बट दिस टाइम द डिस्पैरिटी बिटवीन बोथ हैज बीन इमेंस. ओके, नाउ थिंक अबाउट दिस ना, क्यों यहाँ पे क्यों वॉल्यूम और वैल्यू ग्रोथ होता है. लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल 1 कैरेट का डायमंड है 5000. आई एम जस्ट गिविंग एन एग्जांपल, ओके. 1 कैरेट का डायमंड है 5000. सो बेस्ड ऑन दैट वेट एंड दैट डे हाउ मच इज दैट, 1 कैरेट का 5000 है. Based on this is where the IGI का certification होता है, but mostly on the weight, okay. That is where the inclination is toward. कल जाके लेट्स से वही 1 कैरेट का डायमंड, वेट इज सेम, ठीक है, बट उसका लेट्स से डायमंड का प्राइसेस का वॉलेटिलिटी के वजह से नाउ दैट 1 कैरेट का डायमंड इज 4000 रुपए, ठीक है. नाउ डू यू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ आईजीआई का सर्टिफिकेशन में द वैल्यू डायमंड का प्राइसेस, हाउ डज इट अफेक्ट. जितना डायमंड का प्राइसेस बढ़ेगा उतना इनके लिए बेनिफिट होगा, बिकॉज द सर्टिफिकेशन का प्राइस इज डिपेंडेंट ऑन बोथ आपका वेट एज वेल एज द कॉस्ट ऑफ द डायमंड पर कैरेट और पर सेंट बोलते हैं, राइट. 0.1 सेंट अगर आप 1 कैरेट में, आई थिंक देयर इज 100 cents, right? Like just like how you have a 1 kg 1000 grams, like that only, ठीक है. So but mostly dependent on weight. That's what they told कि like mostly weight में होता है, but since जितना weight होगा, right, like I told you, कितना ये डायमंड का प्राइसेस का वॉलेटिलिटी के वजह से दैट आल्सो गेट अफेक्टेड. सो नाउ यू अंडरस्टैंड कि लाइक व्हाई डिड दे मिस आउट ऑन द गाइडेंस. सी, बट एज एन इन्वेस्टर इट डजंट मैटर व्हाट वाज द रीजन. द फैक्ट दैट दे मिस आउट ऑन द गाइडेंस ओनली फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इज अ बिग रेड फ्लैग, ओके. सो दैट इज द थिंग इनका यहाँ पे ये वॉल्यूम एंड वैल्यू में. बट ऑल्सो टेल मी वन थिंग, द फैक्ट दैट योर वॉल्यूम्स ऑल्सो जस्ट ग्रू 11% इज लाइक फॉर समवन लाइक जो आप बोल रहे हो कि लाइक लैब ग्रोथ डायमंड कितना अडैप्टेशन हो रहा है, दैट एंड दिस एंड एवरीथिंग, दैट काइंड ऑफ वॉल्यूम ग्रोथ इज ओनली लेस ना. 11% का वॉल्यूम ग्रोथ कहाँ है? When you see all the retail jewelers are doing, like 50%, some people are doing around 30-40%. Even the biggest player, Tanishq, is also doing an immense volume growth, right? So compared to that, I know it is not the same business model, but 11% का volume growth का, let's say for example, क्या ही करोगे इस दुनिया में और इस market में, right? Even in terms of sales also, 8% का क्या है? If I keep an FD only, I'll get 7.5% का return. 0.5% के लिए इतना volatility क्यों ले? Right. Anyways, coming back, FY26, how does it look like and what is the conclusion from this is? So first of all, if you look at them, उनका target है, see, आईपीओ के टाइम बोला था हमारा बिजनेस 25% से ग्रो करेगा, ठीक है। देन द फर्स्ट क्वार्टर दे रिड्यूस द गाइडेंस टू 20%, फिर किया 8%, ठीक है। सो यू टेल मी वन थिंग, लाइक यू सी यूजुअली वी कीप टॉकिंग अबाउट, राइट, कि like for example what happened with Gensol, right? It is terrible thing what happened with Gensol, the fraud and everything. Usually when we think about fraud, right, we think about, we think about a big, like, defaulting loan, we think about, some IT ka raid hua hai, some terrible thing happening. That is what we think about fraud, right? That is how our mind is programmed, right? But I would say even, this is also like bad, right? Like you're telling something like IPO के टाइम में आपने पैसा उठाया पब्लिक से ये बोल के आपका 25% का ग्रोथ इच्छित है, अगले बार आते हो और बोलते हो 20% से ग्रो करूंगा, and now you're growing at like 8 to 10%, right? So this is, I mean, how do you also like not consider this to be as aggravating, as the previous cases, right? So that is the thing, like I don't know, I don't like these kind of businesses, I know I'm not supposed to give my personal opinion over here, but still, like, जो ये गलत है, right, in a way. But anyways, coming back over here, अगर आप देखते हो their guidance for FY26 is that they would grow by 15 to 20% का revenue growth, ठीक है। So based on that estimation, अगर आप पूरा साल का, that is for current year, January to December का अगर आप देखते हो 24 में, the sales was 1088 करोड़, ठीक है। So if you consider a 15% का growth, आपका this year, that is for 25th, that current year 25, you can expect 1251 crore. Similarly, if it is a 20% का growth, you can expect somewhere between 1300 to 1305 crore, ठीक है। Then FY24, I mean not FY24 ही आ रहे हैं मेरे मुंह से, CY24 का पैट कितना था, 427 करोड़। कंपनी बोल रहा है that they will sustain the margins, the EBITDA margins that are there, and since now diamond का prices में, that volatility is no longer there, and the stability has been there, for the last 2 to 3 months, especially, diamond prices have stabilized, we can expect a PAT margin somewhere, at 65%. अगर आप 65% का PAT margin है, and this is the sales that is expected for the next year. Now assuming कि like ये लोग 15 से 20% का revenue growth करेगा, and they will not underperform like, what they did in this quarter, कि like, 8-10% का growth करेगा, बोला था 20% last time करेगा, 8-10% का, then it would be, this is the PAT, because PAT margin is nothing but net profit divided by sale. आपका PAT margin है, sales है, you will calculate the net profit, and from there, you will calculate what is the expected PAT. So 427 का PAT है last year, this year the PAT could be 813. So this is the PAT growth. So obviously for this company that is growing its revenues at 15 to 20%, the PAT, because of the PAT growth, since the margins are not getting affected of the diamond prices being very stable right now, immense operating leverage मिलने वाला है. So 1 year forward का P कितना हुआ? Somewhere between 18 to 20, for a 15% का growth engine at the end of the day, ठीक है. But over here, वही एक डर है कि like, these people may, what if they actually overpromise and underdeliver? That is a huge question mark. Will they be able to do it or not? Because since the time they've come, to the IPO, it's not been a really good debut, you can tell. Okay. I understand कि like, one more thing over here is, because ये जो हुआ है, most this 8% का growth, especially that has been there, is mostly because, कि like a volatility in terms of diamond prices, right? अगर शायद diamond का prices में, the value growth, if they wouldn't see negative 12% का value growth, then probably we would have seen that 20% kind of growth engine, right? Because यहाँ पे almost 10 to 11% का volume growth आता है, वहाँ से another value growth of another 8 to 10%, probably they would have done that. But since इस बार सिर्फ volume growth हुआ, but value growth completely गया, right? As a result, इन्होंने 8% का growth किया. But the only thing is, see, my question is कि like you knew about this, right? Come on, you knew what the case was, what this was last year. Like it's not like management is so oblivious also. Like you knew कि like, diamond का prices में ये सब हो रहा था, and yet you guys come and do this. That is a problem over here. Anyways, other than that, what does it look like over here? The first thing is, like I told you, ये लोग lab grown diamond जो है, see, in India, lab grown diamond, especially when you talk about it over here, I know we talk about, कि like यहाँ पे, people are moving to lab grown diamonds and everything. But see, right, when if that were the case, if we are seeing that kind of adaptation to lab grown diamonds, as we are seeing in the US, probably today all the jewelry companies would be suffering, but that has not been the case. अगर आप कोई भी jewelry companies को उठा के ले लो, they keep telling only one thing कि like the lab grown diamond has affected only those category जिसका carat size है is below 1 carat, right? मतलब वो छोटा छोटा 0.1 cent, 0.2 cent, 0.3 cent का होता है. There you're seeing most effect, right? 5 carat, 10 carat में it comes to the same thing. Let's say for example a person who's buying BMW or Jaguar or something. Do you really think he would be, if you go and tell him कि like अरे BMW को मैं तुम्हें 10% offer में I'll give you another car. Do you really think they would care? जो BMW खरीदेगा he will think about buying Ferrari. They wouldn't think of buying Nano. Similarly over here. So the fact is larger diamond category में कभी affect नहीं हुआ. Only in the smaller category, ठीक है? And that is one thing. So the adaptation probably in India that is there is not going to be as fast as the US because culturally we are a very different people. In America, you buy jewelry based on design. The price is based on the design. Whereas in India, the price is based on gram or kg of good. ठीक है? That is one thing. Second thing, अगर आप देखते हो, think about this, right? Why would अगर आप see first of all,
alert from updates not installed.
First of all, when you talk about diamonds also, diamond का
alert from updates not installed.
Anyways, first of all, when you talk
alert from updates not installed.
What is happening here? Anyways, yeah, even when you talk about the entire thing over here, right? Like when you talk about gold also, see gold ka prices may be itna volatility hai, theek hai? But you've seen gold, I think when you see as a consumer, you've always seen gold as an appreciating factor, right? Like especially what's been happening with gold right now. Unlike diamond over here, think about it, right? Diamond ka prices, I think especially that 1 carat and below, the prices were corrected by almost 30-40%. Think about it. We've always seen throughout the history gold, always going up. But diamond has not really been that case. So itna jab volatility hai, so people wouldn't even consider purchasing diamond as an investment purpose also, like, right? So there is the only way lab grown diamond can take that share is, let's say when you capture the market share of natural diamond, but when people are not even interested in buying diamonds, like, how do you make them, buy lab grown diamonds? So I think in India, like I was telling you, that adaptation, just like how fast we've seen in the US, like in US, it's a huge hit, lab grown diamond. Probably that could be very, very difficult to replicate the same thing what has been happening in the US in India, right? So that really, like, stands way less chance. Then the last thing over here is, since these people have almost, like 40% of the business coming from, abroad, right? I do not know exactly how much is coming from the US. They haven't disclosed that factor. Obviously now agar uske wajah se, as you know, trade wars ho raha hai, Trump is putting tariffs left, right and center, these people also stand a chance to be affected. But again, management has not given a clear picture over here. It has been a little bit of ambiguous situation ki, like, they have not given a clear picture ki, like, kaise unko affect hoga, because unka kehna hai, see, we are a service industry, right? Like I am not selling something, right? Basically whoever the manufacturer is buying from me the certification, and the consumer is buying from the manufacturer, right? Or the jewelry company. So the whatever the tariff that is there, it has to be shifted between the manufacturer and the consumer. Probably हमें शायद जो भी होगा 10% of the impact we may have to take. That is what they're telling, but we'll have to wait and watch, if that is the case, how it would impact them. But see again, right, 65% of the business is from India, not like more, but उनका lab grown diamond का जो हिस्सा है, that is more. कितना था? Yeah, if you look at Q1 of CY25, if you look at it, right, can you see over here, lab-grown diamond is almost 53.5%. And let me tell you one thing, this lab-grown diamond is only huge business for them, like in the US, right? Natural, because in one of their data, I don't think I have this data here right now, the natural diamond grew 21% in India. I don't remember whether it was QOQ or year on year, versus in the US, natural diamond ka growth was hardly like, single digit, low single digit. On the other hand, अगर आप lab grown diamond देखते हो, lab grown diamond का growth in the US was 100, I think almost 85% on a year-on-year basis. But on India, I think it degrew by 19%, right? Like that was the data that was given by them. ठीक है कि like ये certification करने में. So you understand, right? अभी कि like lab grown diamond जो बोल रहे हैं लोग, उसका adaptation जो ग्राउंड रियलिटी में है इट इज वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट. एंड इनका यहाँ पे लैब ग्रोन डायमंड से ज्यादा रेवेन्यू आने वाले बिकॉज दैट इज वेयर द डिमांड दे आर फोरकास्टिंग. और वो वहां से हो रहा है, कहाँ से हो रहा है, यूएस में ही हो रहा है ज्यादा, नॉट इन इंडिया. एंड अगर वो वहां का डिमांड है देन आगे जाके ट्रेड वॉर या टैरिफ जो है इट इज अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ क्वेश्चन मार्क, यू नो, वेदर it would be able to sustain that or not, right? So that is that about IGI. To be very honest, I found it very mediocre. Kuch aisa nahi tha, you know, that makes you wow factor. First of all, guidance has been missed by a huge mark. You can tell me yes, that is due to, you know, price volatility in terms of diamond. But as an investor, it really doesn't matter, you know, Q guidance miss hua, you know, whether it is your fault, whether it is not my fault. Why? Because I'm telling, again, like I told you, right, from my own experience, like if you watch that Tina Rubber ka video, right, this entire dialogue of mine, you know, guidance, you know, sometimes, how do you put this? Sometimes it, you know, the company misses out. It's not because of the management fault. It could be or could not be management fault, you know, but they miss out on the guidance, they miss out. You know, look at what happened to Tina, right? Like it was not Hamas or Israel ko, you know, war kar rahe, uske wajah se inka operating leverage gaya, right? So what can you do? At the same time over here, it's not their fault also कि like diamond का prices कितना volatility हो रहा है. They do not have any control. But as an investor, when guidance is missed by a huge mark, that is a bit of a red flag. So this is one pointer over there. And second, with the ambiguous situation that is there with respect to US trade wars and tariffs, we do not know how it would possibly affect the company. And third, lab grown diamond over here, when you talk about the certification, it is more, their demand and everything is more inclined towards lab grown diamond really taking that pace. And that also we are seeing much more in the US compared to India, right? So overall, I would say that trade war and tariffs makes, puts a lot of emphasis over here. Than as much as a company would probably like to deny. So that's that about the company, about this. Yeah, hope you all had great time watching this video. We'll do, I think in the next video, I'll cover probably Supreme Industries, Thyrocare, and some other companies that are there. Okay? That's it, guys. Take care. Bye.